Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to all in the session of sounds of consonants and vowels in English alphabet. In this video, we will learn the sound of letter L. So dear students, in English alphabet, the letter this we call L. L. But the sound of this letter is L. L. Clear? Now let's practice with some words. So dear students, let's start. Lap, leg, lame, late, lake, lip, lid, list, lion, liar, leak, leaf, let, left, lock, lord, local, look, low, luck, lunar, lunch, lewd, lungs. So dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video and understand the sound of letter L. Do practice if you want to get perfection on the sound of letter L. Take care. Bye bye. See you again with the sound of next letter.